Hello, my friend. This is Emma from LEDLUCKY. We are a LED lighting manufacturer located in Shenzhen, and our manufacturing center is in Dongguan. Our focus is LED industrial lighting and office lighting. Major products is high bay light, floodlight, and panel lights. This time, I will show you the production line of our high bay lights. And if you have any products interest or problems, just type your words, and our salespeople will contact you. Thank you. Here is our very important board. Shows the skills of our employees. We call employee skill matrix, and it will show you the skills of each worker. For example, it is the red color means it is untrained or basic knows. Just very skillful or master, you can be the trainer. And from the upward, you can see the skills. For example, fix the driver, fix the PCB board, or you can also repair or QC, etc. And from this board, you can see each worker very clearly, a person who is good at any part. With this board, it is very good for our production manager to put the person into the right position to make our quality control much more better. And why we say it is very important, because for the small companies, they seldom have such board. So this is also a very important part during our competitors. This one is also very important because it is our complaint we received from our customers. For example, it is packing information, packing problems, or some other problems we got from customer. And after that, we will have a meeting with our inner department for the QC person, for the engineers, and we will provide the right solution to solve this kind of problems. After that, we can have more ways to avoid such kind of problems in the future. This board, you can see the operation procedure of the high bay light assembly line. And from this board, you can see each position of the assembly. Like, for example, fix the driver, fix the PCBA, and also the functional testing, and also the appearance inspection. Many of the workers here with over 10 years experience in the high bay light making. So this is very important for every worker here. This production line is mainly for the high bay light. And inside, you can see on top of the fixture, you can see the SOP. So each procedure is very clear. And the first side is you can take the heatsink here on the workshop. And after that, the other people will put the cable in front of the heatsink. And when you put the cable on the surface of the heatsink, then you will also put the PCBA on the surface of the heatsink, and then screw. And after that, you need to soldering to keep the cable firmed on the PCB board. And as this is the DOB high bay light, so currently there is a plate on the back side of the fixture, and she will put it on the surface. After that, also screw and keep it firm. After that, we will put PC lenses on the surface of the lamp to keep with different beam angles. And if we finish the PC cover, then we will light it up to check the lamp. We finished assembling the high bay light. This automatic machine will put all this lamp into that area, and that is our aging test room, burn-in testing room, 100% light up with high and low voltage shock for 4 hours testing. And you see the worker with the yellow coat, yellow T-shirt. She is our QC. She is one of our QC, and she is having the random checking of our products. You see inside the very special burn-in testing room. It is very unique in the market, and also compared with the other competitors, ours is much more sophisticated. Normally, if you need take 8 hours for the common aging, but in LEDLUCKY we use the special method like switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. So normally current line we only need 4 hours for burning. And you can see that pool actually is we have water inside, because during this process we also have the waterproof testing. Like all of the lamps we will put inside the water, and then means 100% of the IP testing. So this is also very unique in LEDLUCKY. And I think for small companies or workshops, they don't have such one. They just random check, and that's all enough. This is also LEDLUCKY's advantage. After we have 4 hours burn-in testing, all our lamps will come to this workshop. And what is this? What is this guy doing? He is testing the grounding resistance of our lamps. This testing is very important because this is also the safety basis when you receive our lamp. For example, if you do not do this testing, there is also some risk for the electricity linkage when the end user use. So that is why this is very important. And also many suppliers don't have this. It is the glue pouring machine. This machine's main function is to put the glue inside the integrating the Vista Light driver box, and the driver inside is only without cover. It's bare driver. After we finish the functional inspection, all our lamps will come to this place. This workshop is mainly for appearance checking, such as the light link, the scratch, and also painting missing, all the labels, etc. After the 100% checking, then all our lamps will to this place, packaged before delivery. And currently now you can see 100% of the finished products of the Llight.